Well, if you thought the issues surrounding Wisconsin's concealed carry law were put to rest, you'd be mistaken.
Just last week, the State Justice Department released its proposed permanent rules for training to tighten up the wording of the emergency rules put in place to get the law going. That was back in November. Those rules required applicants to receive training, but worded the rules broadly, putting the Department of Justice in charge of hammering out the specifics. Well, the Justice Department held a public hearing in Green Bay today to get some feedback on the proposed rules. Fox 11's Bill Miston was there and has multiple views.
All agents and persons will be given an opportunity to comment on.
About 20 people showed up at the Green Bay Police Department to discuss the Justice Department's proposed permanent rules for the state's concealed carry law. And there was a lot to be said.
What I'd be concerned about is someone that hasn't submitted a curriculum to the state that is proper for the CCW for Wisconsin.
It's not up to Henry or the gentleman next to me or anybody else in this room to decide what my 82-year-old mother needs.
To require the same training for every person doesn't make sense.
The law allows anyone at least 21 years old who can legally possess a gun to apply for a concealed carry permit. You're required to take a certified training course through a variety of certified organizations like police departments or the Department of Natural Resources. Under the proposed permanent rules, you must still prove you completed a firearm course. The training would require learning about the use of deadly force, situational avoidance, safety rules, and proper care of firearms and ammunition. The course certificate then must be signed by the instructor, or the applicant must have additional proof of course completion.
Every reputable firearms instructor is going to teach these basics no matter what. We're just setting a minimum standard so people do get good instruction.
Firearms trainer Mike Shea says that instruction should be left up to the trainers like him.
Types of force training or de-escalation training or other things that are outside the realm of firearm safety is above and beyond what the Department of Justice has been mandated to do.
Others feel the DOJ's proposal merits the magnitude of possessing a concealed carry license.
The first concealed carry law has been very much debated, very well thought out, and I think it's very reasonable, the requirements that they've put in so far.
After the hearings, the DOJ will submit the public comments to the Attorney General. From there, a final rule will be drafted and sent to the legislature for hearings. In Green Bay, Bill Miston, Fox 11 News.
And you can still send in your comments on the proposed rules. We have a setup in our Newslink section on our website for you to go to that site of fox11online.com and find out exactly how to email, fax, or mail in your thoughts.